Hello, everyone. I accepted the challenge of the cardboard and pegs to see what I could do with them. So here are the materials you will need. We have also paints, of course, a paintbrush. There is a clothespin or a peg, and then a drawing that each child can make. I chose an animal here, but it can be any form, and a paper plate and some glue. So first thing you do is you need two identical objects. So in this case, I made two cats, and I cut the first one out, and then I traced the second one in order to make the second cat. They have to be identical. Then I painted them with the help of my granddaughter. You have to paint both sides, which means you need time for it to dry on one side. And here is the result. You glue both sides to the peg, and it can be used as a card holder. For example, if you have a new class and you're trying to learn names, or if there's a new teacher and you want them to be learning the names, they can use them for that. Or you can use them as characters in a story, which you can invent. The kids can invent a story using their little animals that they've made or whatever. You can use them for gift for home, for example. It could be for Mother's Day, or with the photo of the child clipped into it. It would be a great little gift to send home with them. I was thinking of Mother's Day, but it could be any festivity, of course. And this actually was not an original idea. I have, actually my son had a classmate whose parents did these objects out of very light balsa wood, and then they painted them, and they used to give the rejects to the children to play with. And so here you can see that there's a butterfly that they painted. This parrot has fallen on his nose. You have to be careful with balance, I found out. But this could also be painted. Here's a flying bird, a stand-up cat. This would be relatively easy to make. And of course the peg has the opening at the top. Here's a turtle. And so it's actually a fun project. It's pretty easy to make. I think that hot glue would work the best unless you manage to have wooden pegs. I actually cheated and used some Scotch tape because I didn't have time to have the glue dry. But you can play around with this, and it would be lots of fun. You could actually even use it with human figures if you want to use it in a story. So I hope you enjoyed this, and that you will be busy making your projects. Goodbye for now.